You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, back from vacation, and I'm ready to start in on um, the trunk and then the hood. Uh, the trunk is in. The trunk lid is actually in really nice condition. It's no kidding. It's made out of aluminum. So what I'm gonna do is strip all this gunk off. I don't know what the hell it is on the back here, but this stuff. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just not sure. I do have some caulking to take off there, and other caulking. That, of course, is the area that the MG emblem will go on. Off my old car. It's that right there, right? So I've got some repair in here to do, which won't be tough. Basically, all I'll do is cut it off literally there at the seam, then weld in a replacement piece. Some rust removal. And that's about it. Really, this is in awfully nice shape. I've got a little bit of fix in there to do. That's not tough. And I'll show you the other side. So there's no rust on the other side because, again, this is entirely an aluminum piece. Looks like I got a little bit of Bondo there. I've got the holes to fill in. What is that? Don't know what that is. Maybe it was a hole at one point, but a part of the, I'm guessing part of a luggage rack. But once I strip the other side, I'll find out. Again, oh wow, look at that. Anyway, this is in awfully nice condition. So, I'll get right to it. This was a bear. This took a long time, and I'm not done yet. Well, I'm done clearing all the metal off, the junk off the metal, but I've got some to fix, and that's not going to be awfully tough. What I'm going to do is just cut it about right here, and then over, and then replace that piece. I'll get rid of all the crap behind it so that I can still weld to it, grind it all down, and make it look nice. Yep. Yep. And here's where I'm going. I'm going to weld this in. You can see I took a little bit too much out there in that little notch there, but I'll take care of that. Weld it in, and it's all ready to go. So, got a new bottle of weld gas. I've got a new roll of welding wire, and I'll make short work of this. I gotta say, I'm rather proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself, actually. I did a much better job than I would have thought. Got a hole in my glove there. No, maybe a little bit more to smooth out there. But once I prime this, it's gonna look nice. I've got some rust holes here that I treated, dug out, and I'm going to fill. Before I pack it in for the night, I am going to fix these poor curves. Got a couple areas that are a little bit wavy, and I'll just hammer them out with a dolly and a hammer and a dolly. This, I'm not sure I'm going to do much with that. I'm not. I'm sort of undecided. But again, I am pretty goddamn proud of myself. All that stuff in there, all those colors, it looks black, but there's no holes. It's just discoloration of the metal. There are some holes, but I'll fix those. Yeah. So before I go to bed, it's probably 6, and I'm not going to go to bed immediately, but I'm going to put a bunch of epoxy primer behind this, God dang it, excuse me, this entire thing. Because I've got new metal from about here over, and then some welds and other stuff, so I want to protect that. Boy, that looks nice. And, oh yeah, I picked up a lot of metal. As you can see, I've got, what is this, 4x9, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. This is going to be the floor, the main structure of the floor of the trailer. I bought too much. I bought way too much, or I made a mistake in the order, but I really just needed 2 of these things, and then 1 more cut down. But, you know, I'll just put it up against the wall, and, you know, given how much metal I go through, more is better, so. I've also got a grunch load of angle iron. That'll be some of the structural support, and I don't know if you can see it in there. Some box tubing, and this stuff is stout, extremely stout, so rest assured when you buy this, you've got one heck of a frickin' structure there. My God. Again, I think I overbought, but, you know, once I cut it up and so forth, I estimate the entire thing will be under 400 pounds. So, you know, you're getting a strong trailer, I'll tell you that. And all of that stuff, too. Yeah. And so I bought this from a local guy named Randy Coombs. He runs a business that does a lot of metal and fabrication for naval air stuff, some of which I'm sure he can, you know, talk more about. But yeah, I've got a lot of good material here. He held this for me during Christmas when I had to leave on vacation, so I really appreciate that. And I'll put a link to his website if I can. I don't. Yeah. Whatever.